Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. If you're watching these videos and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. So in today's video, I will be answering a question from a student. This student is asking about a situation like this. They are taking a course on using the OPTITEX software, and when they use the command to open the dart at the hem here, the darts end up pointing toward a spot on the waist. And if you intentionally try to open it like this, the waistline will break here. If any of you are facing this situation, here's what you should do. In this case, you can see that the hemline has a significantly different curve compared to the waistline. Therefore, the quickest way to handle this is to simply copy this existing waistline and use it as your reference point. That's it. Copy this waistline parallel down to the hem so you can get the curve of this hemline. After completing that step, you will need to carefully adjust. You'll adjust this specific hem area so that the natural curve of the hemline perfectly matches the curve of the waistline. And to be even more precise with your work, you can use a specialized tool to smooth out and further refine the curve of this hemline. There, simply smooth out the entire curve of the hemline just like this to ensure a professional finish. Got it? You smooth it out like this. For example, if you need about 4 points, you enter 4 points here. That's it. And it's the same for this waistline. You can also smooth out the curve of the waistline. There, for example, if you need 3 points, you can enter them here. For example, I need 4 points. You will select the starting and ending points of this skirt section. Then you go to the multiple dart command. And here you will select the number of darts you want to create for this skirt section. In the width section, you will choose the width of each dart. And in the depth section, you will select the length of each dart. For example, you set the length of each dart to 69. Then you click OK. Immediately, you can see that this skirt section has been pleated and spread out. And especially, each pleat has an equal spacing across the entire area of the skirt. Alright, okay, goodbye and see you again.